1, 2, 3, 4. And there's the brave one, Scout. He always wonders a little bit. There's Uncle Jupiter. Oh, that is so cute. Good boy, Jupiter. There's another brave soul. Makes me happy to take care of him. That's Jupiter in the distance. Get him bouncing around. This guy's definitely the explorer. We call him Scout. Okay, then we have all these guys. And they're the ones who stay a little bit closer to home base. They are all so playful. Okay, Scout. Oop. There we go. There's another one wandering. The little gray one. Let's find Scout. Don't go too far, Scout. It's so cute how they bounce around. Scout even goes up the tree like a foot or so. Oh, Jupiter's gonna play with him. Oh, there's Scout on the other side. He's thinking about climbing. Jupiter's on the other side of him. Gotta be quiet so I don't startle him. It's like 11 o'clock at night or something, but so it's not as light. It's obviously harder to see him. There's Scout. He's hiding right there. See him? Hey, Scout. I see you, buddy. And then we got these guys just bouncing around. Oh, Jupiter is playing with Scout. That's so cute. Jupiter, you are a good guy. I remember when you were that little last July. I think Scout likes Jupiter. And vice versa. And you got these little guys over here bouncing all around. Eating, bouncing around. Eating, bouncing around. Go get Jupiter, Scout. You can take him. Jupiter's right on the other side there. It's the same thing out of light or something. Does it? Guess not. Maybe I can lighten it up later. Back to home base. Right by the Bookhouse, see? And there's Monty watching the action. But Monty is not an outdoor cat. He scares way too easily. Oh my gosh. But they're all starting to get used to me. As long as I don't make sudden moves. Oh, there's he's hiding. Gotta mow the lawn. But I think they like hiding in the tall grass right now. I also don't want to scare them though when I mow the lawn. Oh, Jupiter, you're so sweet. He's just laying in the grass. He's been very protective of them. I think he startled the little guy. Yeah, he's startled. He's not moving. It's alright. Jupiter's just playing with you, buddy. There you go. See? There's your other gray friend, brother, sister. And then they like to hide under the Bookhouse a little bit. But I always make sure that there's some fresh water right there for them, food, and they've even been big boys and girls and jumped up there today and started eating a little bit of the dry Friskies. I just love the way they jump like that. Hey, Jupes. Hey, buddy. There he is. Hey, Jupiter. He's like, nah, not in the mood. There he goes. He's jumping. He loves to chase bugs, especially at night. Hey, Jupes, what you doing? Hey, buddy. How's my little cat buddy? Hmm? Oh. Oh, my back. Oh, yep. Doing the flop. Jupiter, you are the nicest little guy. Yes, you are. Thanks for watching over him, bud. And no, folks, if you're still watching this, no, Jupiter cannot possibly be the father. So, we took care of that. Oh, with that belly rub. Yes, right there. Love you, Jupes. His collar says his name with my phone number, just in case. Just in case, right, buddy? Oh, yeah. Gotcha, buddy. Oh, you're tough. Oh, you're a tough guy, aren't you? He has the most beautiful eyes. Come on, it's time for your close-up. Oh, you're just too tired. I'm too tired, Dad. He's like, what is this thing you're shoving in my face? Oh. Nope, here we go. Bookhouse steps. Sometimes I'll come out and there'll be like 3 of them during the day, all decked out on the steps. Gotta figure out names for all of them. Right now we just know the name of one, Scout. The mom's name is Socks. I named her months ago. And then, surprise, suddenly she was a mom. She didn't even look fat. Or whatever. Hi, bud. Yeah. You don't like that train noise for too long, do you, buddy? You're used to it. Even the little kittens, I guess, are getting used to it. Or maybe not. They all disappeared under the bookhouse. Hi, Monty. Really hope it works out that I get to keep this place. But que sera, sera. Right, Jupes? And if we do have to move, we will make sure the little kittens get placed somewhere where they will be loved. And Jupiter will come with us, of course. But cats hate change, yeah. So hopefully. Well, everyone, just, I guess, keep your fingers crossed for Danielle and me. And see you soon. If you've actually watched 13 minutes of this unedited raw video, then hey, thanks.